Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we have a fun unboxing, I guess. So I was contacted by a skincare brand that I'd never heard of, and they asked if they could send me something to use and review, and I made sure to clarify that the review I would be giving would be an honest one. I don't do positive reviews in exchange for free stuff. That's just not what I do. And they were like, no, that's totally fine. This is all it simply is. We send you something, you try it out for however long you need to try it out for, then review it. I said, great, that's what I'm gonna do. And I thought I should unbox it, so why not? Let's do that. I did just open the box to make sure it was what I thought it was, but I haven't taken anything out or looked at anything. And the guy who contacted me, I think it was a guy, and the person who contacted me, I just told them, like they said, what do you want us to send you? And I just basically told them about my skin and my wants and needs and stuff, and just let them pick stuff for me. And also because when I have been the few times approached like that, I'm always like, what if I pick too many things? Or like, what if I only pick like 2 things, but they really wanted to send me like 6 and I only picked 2? Like, I don't know. I just feel weird in that way. So I was like, here, this is what my skin is all about. So why don't you send me what you think my skin would benefit from? So they did. So this is from the brand. I know this shipped from England. ELEVATIONE, I want to say it's called. Box is full of stuff. So the first thing out of here is the Eye Illuminator Under Eye Bags Cream. And I do in fact have under eye bags. I'm very sad to say. I am going to get under eye filler. I'm totally gonna get it. Like, I'm already kind of impressed with this like packaging. It's like canvas. It's not, I mean, it feels like it's cardboard, but it's text, I don't know. It's very nice. 1.0 fluid ounces. This immediate effect cream provides instant visible reduction in the puffiness and appearance of bags under the eyes, resulting in a refreshed and youthful skin appearance within minutes. Oh, okay. So this is kind of cool. It actually says to hold your face steady for 2 to 6 minutes to preserve results. So like maybe like when I put it on, how I would do concealer when I put it on, I tend to look up just so it's flatter, and then I'll apply my powder lightly so the stuff won't pool like and settle into fine lines and creases. Oh, that's interesting. I'm very intrigued by this. And I did go on the website just to check out like some of the ingredients because I was looking for like alcohol and like shitty ingredients before I agreed to do this. That's always something I look for in skincare. And because as I'm getting older, and I'm not naked by the way, just so you guys know, I'm not naked. As I'm getting older, skincare is just more important. I care more about skincare daily than I do about makeup daily. So here's the first thing. And the only thing that sucks though is that the packaging is really nice, but I mean, I won't keep the packaging, but it's so nice, I feel bad throwing it away. Like that's the only thing I hate about nice packaging is that it's so nice, I feel guilty about throwing it away, but it's packaging, I don't know. It's just me. All right, so I did mention that I'll have the occasional like breakout. Like I went through a minute where even still I don't know what it was, but I went through like a phase recently, like over the last few years, where I just had this horrible acne on my chin, hormonal acne. It was horrible. So I did mention though, I have like the occasional like monthly breakout, but it's nothing that like will ruin my life. So this is the Acnot Flawless Spot Gel. And this says, this spot targeting gel is designed to intensely target specific skin blemishes with a unique topical solution, which is invisible on the skin. Based on salicylic acid, which exfoliates the skin, it helps reduce skin oiliness, appearance, and minimize the look of blemishes. Enriched with lemongrass extract, which is known to soothe and tone skin appearance. Apply topically where needed. Typically, you recommend to use at night, which is usually when I would use some kind of acne stuff. Oh, cool. Everything is written in here, so it probably is beneficial to keep these boxes. I might keep the boxes. Oh, a lot of boxes to keep, but okay. So then they recommended, this is the Gala Results Light and Bright, I guess it's like a set. All right, so we have a face cream, a serum, and boosting drops. All right, so the face cream, you get 1 ounce in this, and this is a nice, like, it's like a real heavy kind of plastic. Okay, so I do see an alcohol in here. It's an alcohol I've never heard of before, but it's all the way at the bottom. Like literally all the way at the bottom. So that's a good sign. It's always the first thing. Like, is there an ingredient that you look for first when you look at ingredients on stuff? That's always the first thing. Any kind of alcohol is the first thing I look for. Anyway. Alright, I'm sorry, I'll just get to the point. A daily cream that provides your skin with hydrating and brightening elements enriched with melaslo extract from Japanese mandarin, ideal for gradually reducing the look of age spots and providing your complexion with brighter appearance. Enriched with jojoba seed oil for perfect moisturizing benefits. Apply to cleanse skin, dry face, and neck. Massage until fully absorbed. Use twice a day, morning and evening. Let's smell it. Oh, there's a pump. It's adorable. I thought it was like maybe a, no, that's adorable. Oh, and you can take it off. Ugh. Oh, ooh. Ooh, it smells kind of light, like an herbal kind of smell. And that was one of the things that I said. I was like, I do have like some age spots and like old acne scars, so anything like that brightens my skin or like can lighten those things like is stuff that I go for. So the next is a light and bright face serum. You get half an ounce in here. A silky texture serum that smooths, softens, enhanced with Natron's brightener extract, known to create a natural glow for a brighter and more luminous skin appearance. Enriched with grapeseed extract, an excellent source of vitamin C and E, as well as antioxidants known as flavonoids, all of which may visibly improve skin's texture and reduce the appearance of aging skin. Apply under clean, dry skin, gently massage into skin, use every morning with light, bright face cream. So now the drops is what I'm intrigued by because I have never heard of these. The superb formula delivers an intense boost to brighten the skin's appearance. It offers an arsenal of skin beneficial ingredients to keep the skin's complexion and appearance toned and clear, enriched with natural extracts that are a source of vitamin C and K, effective to repair elements that soothe the skin and visibly improve its unified appearance. A few drops of the product to clean, dry face. Use every evening with light, bright face cream. The only thing I wish though, I wish it told you like, I mean, do I use this before the serum? After the serum? Usually a good rule of thumb with facial products in general are use the thinnest product to the thickest. So normally you would use a serum before cream, so that's an easy one. But do I use this before the serum or after the serum? Is it an oil? I don't know. No, it kind of feels like a serum too. I'll have to reach out and ask them when to use this. But about this light, bright kind of box, it says the B Time Capsule, which is what this is, Capsule B technology. The B Time Capsule, with its combination of encapsulated peptides, glycolic and lactic acids, act synergistically to improve the look and skin tone and minimize the appearance of dark spots. Acids are like skin changing. And we also have the Gala box for Age Beautifully. So I also said I'm aging, so anti-aging stuff is always something that I'm interested in. So this is the Capsule AA technology. So again, we have 3 things in here. Let's see, the AA Time Capsule, encapsulated with copper peptides, designed to help reduce the length and number of that's different, and number of wrinkles appearance to provide visible skin restoring benefits, powerful antioxidant content, and enhanced skin vitality. All right, so the first we have another. Oh, I didn't tell you how much you get in the booster drops. These have those too. You get 0.33 ounces. All right, so the day cream for the Age Beautifully cream, another ounce. Daily face cream with SPF 50 provides your skin with perfect amount of hydration, enriched with a unique biofunctional ingredient GP4G, extracted from aquatic extremophyll plankton-rich nucleotides. I don't know any what that means. A source of energy that helps resist fatigue, peak appearance, and cope with environmental damages. Enriched with sodium hyaluronic, I do know how to read, that helps restore skin's moisture, promoting a more revitalized, youthful complexion appearance. Apply to cleanse dry face, massage until fully absorbed. This is the Age Beautifully Face Serum. Again, half an ounce. A silky textured face serum that smooths and softens your skin. Enriched with jojoba seed, known for its vitamin E and B complex content to help repair and control visible skin damage. Boosted with evening primrose, known to promote healthy looking, clear, rejuvenated complexion. Apply to clean, dry skin, massage gently, use every morning with the day cream. All right, last one is the boosting drops. These are the Age Beautiful boosting drops. You get 0.33 fluid ounces. This Pro Youth Superb formula delivers an intense boost of appearance, repairing, enhancing younger looking complexion. Enriched with lilac extract, known to soothe and smooth appearance, and ginger extract, known to tone and improve skin's texture and appearance and reduce visible signs of aging. Apply a few drops to clean dry skin, massage, use with your favorite night cream. Okay, I'm very excited. The last two things they generously sent me were devices. So I told them I do like devices. I have like cleansing devices and I use the stones to like massage my face and everything and to press products into it. So I just said use, you know, just send me whatever. So the first thing I have here is the Sculptura 3D sculpting device. And it's shaped like a, I can never pronounce this, I'll put it on the screen, that gua sha stone, it's shaped like that. I have one of those, not in this shape though. It comes with a USB cable and a cleansing cloth. This device offers two different treatment modes to perfectly accommodate your skin's concern. Blue mode, which is a low vibration and blue LED light. This advanced facial treatment promotes collagen synthesis, improves the appearance of sagging skin, refines the look of enlarged pores, all while balancing and soothing oily, sensitive skin. Red mode, with medium vibrations, heat therapy and red LED light. This ultimate facial treatment strengthens cell vitality, accelerates blood circulation, and promotes fibroblasts and collagen production. This result is a visible reduction of fine lines, wrinkles, and scars, leading to firmer, smoother, and younger skin. Hell to the yes. Part of the Sculptura Beauty Device Collection, it's age-defying, integrates several technologies that activate acupuncture and meridian points, effectively reshape the look of your face, resulting in a younger, slimmer, and more V-shaped appearance. Those are some big claims. I'm very intrigued by this. Assuming you use it like you would use, is it gua sha, something like that? I'm assuming you would use it like that, but I mean, I guess it sends out like pulses and stuff. If you want me to do like a demonstration, let me know on the screen. So it comes with a USB cable, a cleansing cloth, and the directions right here. And the last thing is the Total Eye Contour device, which I'm super excited about because bags. Is this a stand? Stop it. It is. Oh my God. Cute. So this also comes with a USB cable and a little cleansing cloth. I'm assuming you hold it like this and it goes under your eye. And so that's the little holder it comes in. Very cute, very space saving. This age-defying pen-shaped device integrates several technologies to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and dark circles or puffiness, resulting in younger, fresher-looking skin. Same thing, two different modes. The massage mode with blue LED light targets puffiness, dark circles, and fatigue by helping the skin expel toxins while increasing blood circulations to promote fresher, more energized-looking skin. The red LED light, which is the magnetic heating mode, specifically designed to reverse the signs of aging in the eye contour area, applying heat vibrations and heat to this delicate area, resulting in greater collagen production and a strong, firmer, and lifted looking skin area. I'm very excited about this. I mean, that would be amazing if this worked. If you guys want to see me like use these in a demonstration, let me know in the comments. I did look on this website. This is pricey stuff. Again, for that reason, I'm going to be very honest because I'm not going to promote things and come out here and be like, oh my God, this stuff is amazing, if it's not, because it's expensive and I don't want anybody wasting their money for no reason. So I'm going to be trying this stuff for a good amount of time so I have a good idea of whether or not I like it. And stay tuned, I'll tell you my thoughts in an upcoming updated skin trying new things video. It'll probably be, and it'll probably be with other products that I've been using. So stay tuned for that. And I do have one more thing that I received from another company that's also skincare. And this is from the SAAF, I think it's called SAAF, S-A-A-F Soaps, Artisanal Turkish Soap. So, like, totally cute. And when I saw the ingredients, I was like, yes, definitely send me one. And I just picked one that I thought would be like closest and beneficial to my skin. Ugh, this is the Camel Milk Face and Body Soap. Oh my God, it smells so good. This camel milk has been used in the Near East by nomadic Bedouins for thousands of years. It's rich in vitamins and minerals and unsaturated fatty acids other than traditional milks. It has anti-aging properties such as alpha hydroxy acids, resulting in younger and smoother skin. It also has natural exfoliating, removing dead skin cells, which helps clear acne, rosacea, repairing sun damage, and reduces wrinkles. Super psyched to try that. Thank you so much, SAAF. You'll also hear my opinion about this as well, because same thing. They just sent it to me to try and review, and I'll be doing that as well. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to ELEVATIONE. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm so sorry if I'm mispronouncing it. Or maybe it's just elevation. Maybe I'm just being too fancy. Maybe it's just elevation. Thank you so much. I'm floored and honored to try all of it. But again, you will be hearing my honest opinion, so stay tuned. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.